Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram DM message icon not opening. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you tap on your Instagram icon. Tap on this icon. You can see that for stop. Tap on this. After that, go back. Next, check your internet connection. After that, tap your Instagram apps. Tap your this icon. Scroll down little bit. Go to your phone storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data. Now go back to your home screen. Go to your Play Store application and check your apps update. Search here Instagram. Your apps is already latest version and update. Go to your apps. Now go to your Instagram apps. Tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on three dot icon. Scroll down little bit. Tap on logout. Now go back. Again go back your apps. Log out your account. Now go back your home screen and tap on Chrome. Search here down detector. Go back. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Instagram apps. You can see here your message conversation. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.